Alright guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's trade recap, we're going to go over the two trades I ended up taking on NQ. To start off, I ended up taking two trades. Well, actually, I ended up taking off three trades. One loss, one break, and two break evens. So let's kind of go over this real quick. Where is this long? It's right around here actually. Okay. Alright, so let me go over here. This trade. Alright, so I ended up taking two trades today, or three trades today. Reason being is because price was super clearly bullish today. Again, coming into the week here, we were like, I wanted to be bullish. Coming into the day here, I wanted to be bullish, but yesterday was, what did we have compared to today? Yesterday, we didn't close above this high. So I was like, all right, like I want to see a protected low before taking along. And then we tapped into, again, 9:30 open, and then 10 a.m. What did we do? 10 a.m. open lower, swept sell side liquidity, put in the SMT, tapped into the 30-minute gap. I moved it down here because it was in my way, but it's right here. And then, again, I was looking for a 5-minute inversion. The 5-minute inverse, we had, what's it called? SMT went break even, but I was trusting the fact that 10 a.m. was going to be an open low, high close. So, again, we opened lower, and then, again, we inverse. I didn't think this was any prominent key level for price to really reverse. But, again, that's why I still took the long here, but I went break even what I was supposed to. I want to see big displacement through this break even intermediate term high on the 3-minute. I went break even. I got stopped at break even. Again, if I didn't go break even, I would have got stopped out. Then price ended up going higher. We formed this mitigation leg. We closed above it, and I wanted to see price go for long again. What did I end up doing? What I ended up doing here was we had these equal highs. Price came lower. We came to equilibrium on ES, right? And we put in this SMT within the 5-minute, and the SMT was still holding. So I was like, all right, like if this SMT holds and then we inverse, I want to go long. Like this doesn't look bad, because then that means we're, again, equal highs. We put in the SMT, is still holding. We sweep essentially this low, and we inverse. We should go higher. Put my stop below the order block, and I got stopped. And I was like, okay, like, I mean, I would take this trade any 10 out of 10 times. Like we have an SMT, price has equal highs. We trade away from the equal highs. I want to see some longs. Again, I get stopped. Price printed these equal lows. We inverse this 2-minute, but I want to wait for more confirmation. I want to see this 1-minute. We print this order block, close above it. I went long again because I was okay. Now we have a protection here, right? So, and we're closing above it. So I longed, and then I wanted to go break even here, which I did. I went break even here in this leg. Boom, we tap into the order block, into the IFEG. We take this high, and I have my break and deliver BND right here. So once we take this high, I don't want it to be soup like and just wake immediately. I wanted to deliver to the break even, and that's what price did. We do into break even. I went break even. I got stopped at break even once again. So again, I ended up taking 3 trades, 2 break evens, 1 loss. Again, I followed all of my rules. I'm very proud of my executions, but again, it's another day where it's like, it's frustrating, where it's just like, bro, I'm following my rules, I'm doing the right thing, but price just does not want to deliver. And in these occasions, you can't do anything but literally go over your previous trades and say, okay, what am I doing good when I'm winning compared to when I'm losing? And I realized that when I win on my trades, there's a daily profile and a clear draw on liquidity, and there's a range, there's equilibrium, high time frame, everything, right? And when I lose, there is like if I'm looking for shorts, like for example, like yesterday I was looking for shorts and we were closing above the highs, like we were displacing through the highs, but we had a high time repeat array, and context was bullish. We had a 5-minute bullish breaker against me, so it's like, and the bullish breaker actually had a reason why it got created. 9:30 open higher first, and then open lower. We tapped into a key level, and then, you know, price wanted to deliver higher. We closed above the 4-hour intermediate term high from yesterday, so that's why I was like, all right, like, here's what we did. We closed above, and I was looking for shorts here because we had equal lows. Again, no context. And then here, I was like, okay, like, although this is a again sweep and it closed back in the range. I need to see a protected low now. And again, overall, the 4-hour inversed here. We inversed here, so I thought it was pretty bullish. Again, I want to see some displacement, 10 AM open lower. This was pretty clean. I took the long break even. Once we had the range, again, the target here is super clear that we want to go higher. So again, I followed my rules. I saw the SMT. I saw it straight away from the equal highs. I saw the SMT. I saw the inversion. I took it with confidence, and it just didn't work. And then for this one, I waited for confirmation. I saw these equal lows, but they were right next to each other. And on the 5-minute, they just didn't really look that compelling. So I waited for more confirmation, and that's exactly what I got. And it didn't deliver. Again, nothing you can do. Another day in the office. This is what we do. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, any comments, put them in the comment section below. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know as well. And yeah, again, 3 trades. I'm done for the day here, and we'll come back tomorrow, being Thursday. Okay, so other than that, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.